is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters in your area are conducting this test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency, important information would have followed the alert tone. This is only a test.
A tornado warning has been issued for Jefferson County, effective until 4:45 p.m.
Civil danger warning for Allen County, Indiana. The Fort Wayne Police Department is investigating a bomb threat at Parkview Field. Police are asking all residents to avoid the area. All residents within 5 miles at Parkview Field must evacuate immediately until the all clear is given.